touchscreen dash, man. Let's see here. We got GPS. Push that. Agree. Verify. Let's just do view map. Touchscreen dash. Pretty cool. Then I could go. It has a phone setup. It's got this tool touchscreen dash. Let's see here. I got a backup camera. Showcase thing. Now I can even look at the gauges on here. Home. You got the truck, the phone system, the audio setup, tools, navigation, connection, just the whole thing. And it even tells us the weather. It's 71 degrees right now. 9:53 a.m. It's a beautiful truck. It's a full truck. It's only got 12,000 miles. All electronic, and it's at 18 speed. Not too bad of a truck. If you don't think this is nice, you're plumb crazy.